Hello, everybody. This is Jack, and thank you so much for joining today's training. And we are thankful that Gerrit is between us. He was 4 weeks in the hospital and now able to join again. Thank you. I hope you recover well. So today we're going to discuss what every business needs. And when I started my local business in 2009, oh my God, how long ago is that? 40, 15 years. It became very clear from that moment, and it is even more true today, that the business, any business, doesn't exist if it does not have a website. You all agree? But over the years, many of you are still struggling to create a nice website. And it is not really your fault. It is actually the fault of WordPress. I started with WordPress as well. I became reasonable good in WordPress because I could ask my programmers to help and make things and design and make things. So I had people around me direct access to, so I can back up if I mess it up. But still, the way how WordPress works is that it uses a database. A database, but is very vulnerable for hack. And that hurted my business very badly. I did all those Google Ads campaigns, and all of a sudden my websites were hacked. They were not working, and HostGator canceled my hosting plan. At least they still exit with my IP, but everybody else couldn't access it. So I had to fix a lot of things because all those plugins were acting up. Now, let me not say that WordPress is bad. WordPress is really good to install a plugin and get something specific done. So WordPress can work for you if you have a specific need and a specific thing. And that is kind of that is the reason at that time when HostGator hit me, I said, I'm done with that big company is canceling my service. I'm going to create my own servers and provide that also as a service to my members. And then we created the gateway, and we created a very advanced hack plugin, so that hack prevention plugin, secure plugin, so that uh, the hacking and the problems with this website much less. But this was, oh my God, 14, 15 years ago. And many things has changed since. And Wix came and ClickFunnels came. You probably all know those names, correct? And what I saw was the trend not to use WordPress, but just to use HTML. And now we all of a sudden said, I don't want to learn coding, Jack. But would it not be nice if you have a mix between WordPress and HTML? And the mix is the graphical interface that you can select a block, a menu, a section, and put it on your website without knowing which code it is on behind. And then you publish to your server, and the result is only HTML. And then you publish to your server, and it uses no database. And when it has no database, the hackers cannot hack it anymore. Because all those hackers, they use the database to mess it up. And now all of a sudden, your main problem is solved. But HTML has also other advantages. You can make really nice looking websites. And because it's HTML and doesn't use a database, those websites really load much faster than a WordPress website. And many of you have already discovered and had a first learning with Rapify. Enter yes if you had, and enter no if it's completely new. I don't know how long ago Rapify is. It was probably 2009, 8, no, 2019 or 18. It took a lot of effort. And I remember Gary is using it maybe 2 years or so. And he was such a WordPress guy. He was such a WordPress guy. And you can still be a WordPress guy. It's not wrong. But if you are not an expert in WordPress, if you hate hacking, if you want fast loading, nice looking website, if you want to do it the easy way, you want to take a look at Rapify. And of course, and let me really show you, I use Rapify myself a lot. Even jackhopman.com, this website, is a Rapify. This is built in Rapify. So all my website. So all my website, the call portal is in Rapify. The business directory is in Rapify. Sales Diamond Jack website is a Rapify. San Diego website is a website. Anyone doubt that when I say it is a Rapify and it is not a Rapify? Because I want to prove it to you. If just ask me, Jack, one of your websites is not a Rapify. Just ask me and I will prove it to you. So let's just do the call portal. If you so I take this domain, I go to my sites. Gary said change every website to Rapify. If you're happy with WordPress, you don't really need to do that. But if you create a new website or you're done with hacking, you see here, last website, edit, and you click on edit. You see all this. I make all the time changes in. Then I pause this. You see this? You don't see that banner because I said don't show that banner. Rapify just looks better. And then you see, everything is customized. You just click on it. You can just, it is so easy. You can change the text. You can change the link. You can change the styling. And let's say you want to change the text. You can just click on it and then you change the text. It is super, super easy. And of course, everything is new. You need to learn. I get that. But this will stay for a long time. You're probably wondering, how do I say this in a polite way? So you're probably wondering how long is Rapify around and how long it will be around in the future, correct? And that is a valid question. I don't have partners where I can argue with. I have a lean company. I have the smartest programmers. I listen always to your guys. I don't wait 2 years to make changes. I don't lose money on it. I think some of you get the point, correct? I don't ask you to pay for an unlimited version or a lifetime version and all of a sudden you have to pay for every update. Now, to be honest, I have to still be honest. I never believed in a lifetime version because what happens when you promise something for lifetime? Because support costs money. I can make thousands of sales and promise you lifetime, and after 2 years I go on vacation, and you cannot dispute it anymore because PayPal does only 3 months. That is not how we want to have a relationship, correct? I can make deals and discount and promotions, but lifetime, Arlene said, lifetime of what? The product lifetime might not be very long. Actually, I don't know. I cannot mention names, but it is also generally is not only a recent instance, but lifetime never works. That is kind of scam because Google change all the time, browsers change all the time, Windows change all the time, hacking and all this thing. I think I realized that the fact over 20 years ago. If you buy something, and when you buy a digital product for lifetime, your expectation should be 2 years. Then there are too many things that stop working. And when you buy something lifetime, do you also get lifetime support? That is just not possible. The programmers and hosting all needs to get paid. They don't pay that for you. So I just want you to realize that if you buy something for lifetime, It might be for 1 year working or 2 year working, but it is a scam. They want you to pay a high amount of money, thinking you're done for the whole life. And after 1 or 2 years, there are so many things not working, and they have no money to pay programs to fix it. And that is not how I want to have a relationship with you. Many of you have known me from the beginning, from 2010, 2011, when I started digital marketing. Many of you have experienced the support. And if we don't do a good job in support, we always will fix it. There's never say, hey, you paid, but we stopped with the product or whatever. When you pay monthly or whatever, we always fix it. So support is very important for us. And if something is broken, we will fix it. We are not perfect, I have to say. That is not how I want to present. We are not perfect, but we are perfect in the sense of willing to help and not saying, hey, you paid 3 years ago a certain amount of money and it was a lifetime, but now we are not going to support it anymore because management changed or we had an internal argument and all of a sudden the rules get changed. That is not how you build up trust. And some of you know what I'm speaking about, and other you guys will remember my words going into the future. Having said that, I really like you to give Rapify a try. And today you're going to learn many features. There are not many features what other website builders have, but it's not built within Rapify. That is how strong it is. And you guys may say, Jack, I don't know that all. And that's true. I didn't demo it all, and there are too many features to know it all. So let's go to niches. First, niches. Just simple. Actually, that idea with niches, I got that from WordPress and Logo Team Jack, and we introduced Logo Team Jack 2.0 with a more polished website. And now we transferred our idea to Rapify with HTML. Let's do the AI side, create sites with AI, and then Rover, company Rover. So here, no, we should do a niche we should do a niche what is not so common. Start a niche what is not so common. I don't know, top and niches which are not so common. I don't know. Anti-restoration special pet accessories. Give me a niche because local businesses are so the word. So, but niches, top 200 niches. Let's see, show more. Let's do dental. Dentist or dental. See if you get Google my business. Dental care. Dental is good. Let's do dental. A, B, C. What did we do? Lane. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lane. Boca Raton. Florida. 3, 4, 2, 8. Mid. Shall we do with images or not? If we do with images, it takes 10 minutes. But let's do correct. You can do without images, it's much faster. I like with. Next. Single page is fine. And multi-page that you can add service. You see your services for, and if you do single page, you cannot add services. Guys, see this? Here you can add the inner pages. You see your services? Those are the inner pages. Guys, see this? And then you can select the language, English, the most common. Next. And then the same, you can select the design. We went for number 2. Then you do the color, any color is fine. And let's skip the domain name because I don't want, because just order is not propagated yet. We need to give this time because it has to create images. That is the problem. But I wanted to have those images created. Now, those images are not perfect, but they are placeholders. I would always ask the client to give you final images because you want to customize it according to you want the customers according to your client, and they have images. You just have to crop them in the right size, size. So let's have this run for a while, and then we're going to ask my favorite tool, Gemini or ChatGPT, or let's ask some questions. Let's build up some knowledge. So, what are the top 20 reasons, problems, struggles local business owners have to create a website? Now, you know why you get an order from a local business? Because you provide value. And the perceived value, do you understand what I'm saying? The perceived value of a website is very high. And even the hosting is perceived value is very high. But if the website is not working, they will contact you very soon. But I want to work with you. Struggles. I don't know how you struggles. Somehow that is not spelled right. Struggles. Logbis have wants to create a website because you fulfill a problem with them. So tech troubles, time constraint, search engine optimization, security, more responsive integration, budget limitation, website speed, technical support, website maintenance, user experience, content creation, hallelujah. Analytic, keeping content fresh, defining audience, branding consistency, call to action, appealing, flexibility, and staying up to date. Those actually apply to almost any service, correct? You already feel local businesses. Both of you guys have an, besides digital agency, of course, then you know everything about I speak about, but you had a local business or was grown up with a business owner in your family or so. And what do they all have in common? They all have in common they are super, super, super busy all the time, correct? They don't work 40 hours, they work 50 hours, 60 hours, correct? And that is actually the reason why we went to digital marketing because we don't want to work 50 hours, we want to work 4 hours, correct? So we want to do the easy way. Now, those are the top 20 struggles. So create an email to a website to create a website for a local business owner, knowing the common problems local business owners have to have with website creation. So I'm to create an email to offer local business, knowing the common problems local business owners have with website creation. So let's see. Let's open the Google Doc. So prospecting email to local business owners to create a website. We will work together on it. So this is never perfect, but it is a good start. Copy, and here we have it. Streamline your business with a professional website. Hi, I came across business name and was impressed by you like the product. So I'm your data man. I can help you with like your establish strong online presence with effective website. I understand that creating a can be challenging for busy business owners. Many hurdles face lack of time, technical knowledge, keeping up to date, concerns as your visitor. That's where I can help. I offer comprehensive website design development service tailored specific for your local business. Now that needs some work. Let's make it first 14 so everybody can read it. Let me share it with you and we work together on it. I don't know where the chat is at the moment. Oh, here's the chat. Send. So I came across business name and I was impressed with it. So, okay, we have to make it generally. I came across business name. I was impressed by your service. I don't want, I can't have product service, your services by your service. Of course, by your services. Let's not do reviews. I am your name and I help. I am a digital agency and I help local business like yours establish strong online presence with effective website. I stand creating and maintaining a website can be challenging for busy business owners. Many face hurdles. Do we want to say busy here? I think for local business owners, for small local business owners, many face hurdles. I understand that creating a native website can be a challenge for busy business owners. I understand that creating a website can be challenging. Lack of time. I don't want to say lack of time. Technical knowledge, yes. Gonna be overwhelming. Keeping it up to date. Cost concerns, yes. SEO and visibility. Maybe getting found online. Get found by Dutch cursors in Google search results. Okay, let's just, if they don't understand SEO, they understand Google. So I understand that creating and maintaining a website can be a challenge for busy. Can be a challenge. Uh, for business owners. Many face hurdles. I don't know if we should say many because I want to address to you many face hurdles. I always like numbering. So Arlene like busy. So let's do busy. Like busy. They are busy. That's where I can have it. Overcome the website and develop service, especially for local business like yours. Like yours. I can take care of everything from design without mess it up, creating engaging content that shows your product, service, and tells your story. Optimize your ads for search engines so you're in Google search results, integration features, online content. I don't know, we need integration. Providing ongoing maintenance. Let's put it on the table because this is where your monthly comes in. I love to schedule a brief, no obligation calls to discuss specific needs. Whether we can help like the customers. Maybe now the bullet points becomes a little bit awkward. We will proofread it again. Increase brand awareness. I don't know if they look for brand awareness. Right, the customers and boost your bottom line. Are you available for quick chat? Can we please let me know? Thanks. Next week, please let me know. I would schedule a meeting with them. Please book your free what consultation. There's the link. So you put it. You need a booking link for this. Now this is already pretty good, but let's proofread it now. Copy, proofread. Go back. Paste without formatting. Streamline your business with a process. I came across and was impressed with you. So this will be company name. We can do this. Keeping it up to date. Cost concerns. SEO. This is the problem description and this is the solution. That's where I can help. This is very important. We offer comprehensive web design development service tailored specifically for your business like yours. We can take care of everything. I feel here it is okay to do the bullet points because this is what you're going to deliver. And this will also be your contract. You want to help you attract new customers, expand your area, boost your bottom line. Are you available? Here we go. What we need is more subject lines, correct? So create 10 email subject lines for above email. Copy, and I'll put that on the top. And then we keep only the ones we like. Don't need to test all the 10, but we get help. We need to delete that, so it becomes more clear what the subject line is. I like this. Attract my customer with a professional website. That's simple to understand. Boost your business with a stunning website. That could work, I feel. Website design available for look. I think this is dry, correct? That doesn't do my feelings to say this is dry. Is your website helping or hurting your business? This is overall, I don't know. What you guys feel? Is your website helping or hurting your business? Simplify your online presence with digital agent. I don't think that. Free consultation, get a website that works for you. Attract more customers with a professional website. I like that. Stop losing customers. That could be a good one. Business name, let's evaluate your online presence. Online growth. Get found online. If you want to focus on SEO, but we are focus on boost your business with a stunning website. Is your website helping or hurting your business? If you want to do a new website or update the website, I would not do that. I feel those other ones are better. You never know. You have to test. I know, but it is my feeling. And we don't need 10 separate lines. We know 4 or 5. So it's 5. Yeah, 5. What do you guys think? Pretty good, correct? So this email you can use to prospect new business owners to create a website. Let me go back to Rapify. Now this create, correct? What was your smile dentist? Then transfer your smile teeth. The images are okay, but not perfect. Transfer your smile, discover our dental services, transform your smile and boost your confidence with our premier dental service, experience potential dental care with our team, our state-of-the-art technology from routine clear, our dental comprehensive dental service, state-of-the-art technology, highly trained and experienced dentists. And those images are okay, but not end of the world. So I would ask real images. And we just created a website. And if you have a domain name, you just say publish and then your own domains. And I don't know if Rapify demo is ready, is propagated. Rapify demo. But if it is not, it will work tomorrow. Then it's propagated. Close. Unbelievable. It's already working domain. Transfer your smile, discover our top dental service. Transform your smile and boost your confidence. Top dental services. Transform your smile, discover dental service. 5 stars. If the logo is not end of the world, I would get a new logo. Preventive dentistry, reduce dentistry, cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry. You guys see how easy it is to create a website? And this method, so if you, this method that we just used, you can create in any niche. That is kind of astonishing. Any niche. So what I do is I want to make sure that niche name makes sense and see if the Google shows that there are some that the AI understand the niche name, and then you enter it here in, and then you make any change. Let's say site settings, replace company detail, and other email, other phone number. All those things can be changed easily. You can do what about the color? Where is the color? Schema does it. If it has a slider, it does. You can create a blog page. Schema products, style wizard. Here we selected this one. You can select this one. Apply. And now all the colors get changed to the red. Styling is amazing, correct? So let's save now and I'll publish. It's almost too good to be true, but it is true. Images are just AI images. They are okay. Not end of the world, I feel. Will this work site other than local business? Yes, it will work with any niche, with any site. It will, but mostly local business, I have to say. But the design, you see this red? Will AI generate the blog post for you? I will create the blog content if you want. That's also included for SEO reasons. Same as in the business directory. AI doesn't create end of the world images yet. It's coming very soon, I believe, but I feel it is a 6 from the 10. And I would always ask images from the client anyway. You get those are kind of placeholders, I feel, but not end of the world. You can still see those are AI images. They will improve as soon as ChatGPT or Gemini or Meta, if they provide good images, we will implement it. So it can be next month or 2 months or 3 months. So it will come. But for now, I just would ask the client to provide images. You can add a form and whatever. You can add so many sections. You see your sections. You can so there are the columns. You can add here the most used, headers, banners, checkout pages, contact form, frequently asked questions, features, footers, headings, images, landing pages, which the 3 landing pages we have, opt-in form, people, portfolio, pricing table, timer, dividers, click to action, services, text, and video. So all kind of sections you can add to your website. You just start with the template and you're going to add it to your link. Gary said, tell your clients that the images are just placeholders. Yeah, I would do that. And then they don't have so much problems with images because they can take images from with their phone and send it to you. They have problems with text, and the AI provide pretty damn good text. The text is really good, actually. Good. Any question about Rapify? As we have so many features, but I don't want you to confuse too much. I wanted to show you how easy to use it is. Oh, the images you see here, images here added. Those are the placeholders. Good. Arlene asked which dimension they have, and I just got an ID to show the dimensions here too. So then you don't need to click inside. So if I didn't answer your question, reach out to support@jackhom.com. You should have received the Google Doc in chat for appreciating you joined the training live. And I'm looking forward to our next training next week, same time. Thank you so much.